Hello class 8, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 2.3 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. In this exercise, we will find out the value of given variable. After that, we will check the answer also. Question number 1. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So here we have constant and variables on left hand side and right hand side with equal to sign in between. So first of all, we will separate variables from constant. So here 3x, this 2x is in right hand side. So we will transpose 2x from right to left. So it will minus 2x equal to 18. Now 3x minus 2x is 1x equal to 18. X equal to 18. Answer. Now we have to check the result also. So this is our result. Now we are substituting x equal to 18 in this equation. In 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So 3x equal to 2x plus 18. 3. What is x? 18. Equal to 2. What is x? Now again 18. So plus 18. 18 multiply 3. This is 54. 18 to the 36 plus 18. Now 54 in left hand side equal to, we are adding this, we get 54. Now left hand side equal to right hand side. It means our result is correct. So hence the result obtained above is correct. Answer. Question number 2. 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So here variable part, this is variable part, constant part, constant. So first we are going to separate variables from constant. So 5t, this will come here. So after transposing, this is 5t minus 3t equal to minus 5. Now minus 3 will transpose from left to right. So minus, it will become plus. Now 5t minus 3t is 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. So t equal to minus 2. This will transpose from left to right. Cancel out. T equal to minus 1. Now substituting value of t in equation. And our equation is 5t minus 3. 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Now value of t is minus 1. So 5 minus 1 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 1 minus 5. Now 5 minus 1 multiply minus 5 minus 3 equal to 3 multiply with minus 1, we get minus 3 minus 5 now. So after adding this, we get minus 8 equal to again minus 8. So here now left hand side equal to right hand side. It means our answer is correct. Hence obtained result is correct. Answer. Question number 3. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. So 5x variable part, 3x variable part, constant part, constant part. First we will separate variables from constant. So now transposing 3x from right to left. This is plus sign, so it will become minus. So 5x minus 3x equal to 5 minus 9. So this is 2x. After subtracting 5 minus 9, we have minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 upon 2 cancel out. We get value of x is minus 2. Substituting minus 2 in this equation. Substituting the value of x in equation. And what is equation? 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. Value of x is minus 2. So putting value of x here, minus 2 plus 9, 5 plus 3 minus 2. Multiply with 5, we get minus 10 plus 9 equal to 5. Minus plus minus 3 to the 6. Now minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 and 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So left hand side equal to right hand side. It means answer is correct. So hence obtained result is correct. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Here we can see that 4z and 2z are variable part, 3 and 6 are constant part. The first step is to transpose 2z from right to left. So 4z here plus, it will become minus 2z equal to 6 plus 3 will transpose from left to right minus 3. So 4z minus 2z we get 2z equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. Now z equal to 3 upon 2. So this is value of z. Now substituting value of z in equation. We have 4z plus 3, 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z, 6 plus 2z. Now we will substitute 3 by 2 in equation. 4, 3 by 2 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2, 3 by 2. Now removing bracket here, 2 to the 4 and here 2 ones are 2. So 2 3s are and 3 equal to 6 plus 3. Now 3 to the 6 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 3. Now we can see that 6 plus 3 is 9 equal to 6 plus 3 9. So left hand side equal to right hand side. It means answer is correct. So result is correct. Question number 5. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Here 2x and x are variables, 1 and 14 are constant. So first step is to separate variables from constant. So 2x minus x will become plus x equal to 14. Minus 1 will become here plus 1. So 2x and x, 3x equal to 14 and 1, 15. Now x equal to 15 upon 3. We are transposing 3 from left to right. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Here x equal to 5. So value of x is 5. Now we will check our result. So substituting value of x in equation. Our equation is 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x, and x is 5. So 2, putting value of x, 5 minus 1, 14 minus 5. 2 5s are 10 minus 1 equal to 14 minus 5, 9. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 equal to 9. Here left hand side equal to right hand side. It means our result is correct. Hence, obtained result is correct. Question number 6. 8x plus 4 equal to 3, x minus 1 plus 7. The first step is to remove this bracket, and we will multiply 3 with x, after that 3 with minus 1. So 8x plus 4 equal to 3x and minus 3. So 3x minus 3 plus 7. After that we have to see which are variable part and which are constant part. So separating variables from constant. So 8x, here we have 3x. So right to left it will become minus. Minus 3 plus 7. Now here we have plus 4. So it will become minus 4 when it will come to right side. So 8x minus 3x, we get 5x after subtracting 3x from 8x. Now minus 3 minus 4, we have minus 7, and minus 7 plus 7 is 0. X equal to 0 upon 5, and answer is x equal to 0. Now here we got value of x is 0. Next part is to check the result. So substituting value of x in equation. Our equation is 8x plus 4 equal to 3, x minus 1 plus 7, and value of x is 0. So putting 0 here, plus 4 equal to 3, 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 multiplied with 0, we get 0 plus 4 equal to 3. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 7. Now 0 plus 4, 4 equal to, when we multiply 3 with minus 1, we get minus 3 plus 7. So 4 equal to minus 3 plus 7 is 4. Left hand side equal to right hand side. If we get left hand side equal to right hand side, it means answer is correct. Hence, obtained result is correct. Answer. Question number 7. X equal to 4 upon 5, x plus 10. So here we have bracket, and bracket means 4 by 5 is multiplying with x plus 10. So if we have 4 upon 5, if I break this, it means 4 into 1 by 5. So x equal to 4 into 1 by 5, x plus 10. I am taking 1 by 5 from right to left, and this will become reciprocal. X into 5 by 1 equal to 4, x plus 10. Now multiply 5 with x, 5x, 4 with x, and 4 with 10. We have already learnt in exercise 2.1. So 4x plus 4 tens are 40. Now transpose 4x from right to left, and it will become minus 4x equal to 40. Now 5x minus 4x, we have x. Now 40. It means value of x is 40. Substituting value of x in equation, and our equation is x equal to 4 upon 5 x plus 10. Substitute 40 in place of x. 40 equal to 4 upon 5. Here 40 plus 10. Now 40 equal to 4 upon 5 and 40 and 10 is 50. Cancel out. 5 tens are 50. Now 40 equal to 4 into 10 and 40 equal to 4 tens are 40. Here we can see that left hand side equal to right hand side. It means result is correct. Hence obtained result is correct. Answer. Question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. So first we all know we have to separate variable part from constant parts. So 2x upon 3 transposing 7x upon 15 from right to left, and here it is with plus sign, so it will become minus sign. We already discussed it. 3 minus 1. So we are transposing 1 from left to right. So here 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1. To solve this part we have to take LCM, and you have learned how to take LCM in class 6. So 3 and 15, if we take LCM, so first we have to take 3, 5 in this way, 5 and 3 into 5, it is 15. It means LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. Now we have to divide this, after that we will multiply. So denominator we divide, and after that result will be multiplied. Already we have learnt in class 6. So we divide 15 by 3, we get 5, multiply with 2x, 5 2s are 10. Same here, 15 divided by 15, we get 1. 1 will be multiplied with 7x, answer is 7x. Equal to 3 minus 1, we get 2. Here 10x minus 7x, we get 3x upon 15 equal to 2. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So x into 1 upon 5 equal to 2. Now transpose 1 upon 5 from left to right. So it will reciprocal, 5 upon 1. X equal to 2 5s are 10. Now checking part. Substituting value of x in given equation, and our equation is 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now putting value of x here 10, 2 upon 3, 10 plus 1 equal to 7, now 10 and 15 plus 3. 2 tens are 20 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 10 sevens are 70 upon 15 plus 3. LCM 3, 20 plus 3. Right hand side 15, 70 plus, rule we know, 15 here we don't have anything in denominator, we put 1, divided, then we get 15, multiply with 3, 45. Now 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 3. Coming to this part, adding this we get 5, 7 and 4, 11 upon 15. Now reducing, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 23 upon 3 equal to 23 upon 3. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means answer is correct. So hence result is correct. 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So separating variable part from constant parts. So 2y transposing minus y from right to left. So it will become plus y equal to 26 by 3 plus 5 upon 3 from left to right. It will become minus 5 by 3. So 2y plus 1y we get 3y. Without taking LCM we can do it because we have same denominator here. So 3, 26 minus 5 we get 21. 3 7s are 21. So 3y equal to 7. Y equal to 7 upon 3. So the value of y is 7 upon 3. Now checking part. Substituting the value of y in equation. And our equation is 2y plus 5 upon 3 equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. What is the value of y? 7 upon 3. So putting here 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 equal to 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Multiply because we have bracket sign here. So 2 7s are 14. 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. If we have same denominator, no need to take LCM. Simply we will add or subtract. So 14 plus 5 is 19 upon 3 equal to 26 minus 7 is 19 upon 3. So here left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence obtained result is correct. Answer. Question number 10. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. The first step we know that we have to separate variables from constant. So 3m transposing 5m from right to left, then it will become minus because it has plus sign, equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now 3m minus 5m we get minus 2m equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now separate these two with m because we have to find out value of m. So m equal to minus 8 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 with minus sign. So minus minus cancel out. 2 4s are 8. So m equal to 4 upon 5. This is value of m. Now checking part. Substituting value of m in equation. Equation is 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. And what is value of m? 4 upon 5. So putting here 4 upon 5 equal to 5, here 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. Now 3 multiply with 4 upon 5. So 3 4s are 12. 12 upon 5 equal to, cancel out 5 and 5. So 4 minus 8 upon 5. 12 upon 5 equal to, here we have denominator as 1. Taking LCM 5. 5 4s are 20. We know how to solve this fraction part. So 20 minus 8. Now 12 upon 5 equal to 20 minus 8, 12 upon 5. We can see here left is equal to right. So our result is correct. Hence the obtained result is correct. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.